Hi, it's Julie here from Live for Art, and today I'm doing an open cup pour. When I tried these a few years ago, I didn't have a great lot of success cutting off the top of a cup and trying to have it flow out. But it seemed to work really well this time. So whether it's my paint pouring medium mixture or the fact that I'm using a cookie cutter, but it felt like it was really quite easy to do. So I'd encourage you to have a go of it. So my paint mixture is just a mixture of sort of tube type paint and Floetrol on a 1 paint to 4 part Floetrol mixture. Sometimes 3, it just depended on the consistency of the paint. So I say the cookie cutter, this time I'm using the patterned edge. I've previously just used the straight edge, and it does make a slight difference to the pattern, as you'll see. So I'm layering my paints in. If I was doing this again, I would probably use a few more light colours and less of the darker colours, just because it did come out quite dark in all that black. But I'm really pleased with the result regardless. So once you've laid it in, if it's not coming out by itself, then you're going to need to really help it out. So you want to just really gently lift the top up and let it come out. You're not lifting it right up. If you lifted it right up, it would come out on top of the black. But just by lifting it that little bit, the paint is still connected to the cookie cutter in this case, and the colours are still going underneath the paint and in the paint and popping up on the outside. And that's what is giving it that great cell effect. So you can lay the cup as many times as you need. I've just layered it the twice here. Now you notice this time when I'm lifting it up that some more of that pattern is coming out where the circles are. By putting paint around the edge, it helps to try and not lose some of the pattern paint as it goes out and rolls over itself. So here I'm turning it around, trying to do something with that centre bit. Now I chose to sort of swirl it as I'm checking it out, so that is actually creating slightly more swirly pattern in the little coloured cells that are there. So if you don't want to do that, you can just go back and forth from the centre to the edge. So what to do with the centre? It's always a dilemma in this style, and I've seen people try a few different things. I thought I might try and bring it in some sort of pattern into the centre, but I decided after a very short couple of goes that wasn't really going to be the look I wanted. Tried the straw, which in some other cases might have looked good as a centre of flower, but I think in this picture it just looks too contrived compared to the rest of the beautiful organic cells that are there. So I didn't really like that at all. Went back to trying to swirl with a stick and mimic some of the other design that is on there. You'll see my paint's reasonably thick and quite very fluid there, but it really dried quite well. Here's a close-up. Sorry about the blurry bits. Let's look at all those beautiful cells. I'll show you a dry piece. It did dry darker than what this particular photo looks like coming up, but I'll also show you a photo of it with resin on. Just love those cells. So this was a lot of fun, and I'm certainly going to do some more. It's a great technique. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember to subscribe and hit the bell and all that. Thanks.